Good day, Mom. I am Abigail Ikat from BS Ed Math 1B, and today I will going to discuss my answers that I choose to discuss. Problem number 1. Determine the coordinates of the point of the intersection of the terminal side of each given angle in a standard position on the unit circle. We're going to identify the coordinates of the 120 degrees on the unit circle. Let's say this is our unit circle. Remember that a unit circle is a circle that having a radius of 1. Let's say that this is the center of the unit circle, and from this point, the coordinates are 1, 0, and this point the coordinates would be 0, 1. This point the coordinates are -1, 0, and this point the coordinates are 0, -1. So next we are going to locate the 120 degrees. Let's say that the 120 degrees are located at the second quadrant. We are forming here a triangle, and we have here the reference angle 60 degrees. And we will use the counterclockwise direction because it is a positive. So from the triangle, this angle is 60 degrees. Here is the 90 degrees, and we can easily say that this angle measures 30 degrees because my triangle are the sum of the angles that is equal to 180 degrees. It is also given that the hypotenuse is 1. So therefore, the opposite of the side of the 30 degrees is 1/2. Because the opposite of the length side of 30 degrees is 1/2 of the length of the hypotenuse. This is our x. Now we are going to get the y by using the Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus y squared equals 1 squared. By substitution, this will be 1/2 squared plus y squared equals 1. And by simplifying, this will be 1/4 plus y squared minus 1. And we will transposing the 1/4 to the right side. So this could be y squared minus 1/4 plus 1. This will give us y squared equals 4/4 minus 1. And this will be y squared equals 3/4. To get the value of y, we will going to get the square root of the both side. And therefore, the y is equals square root of 3 over 2. In this case, the answers, we get negative and positive answers because the 120 degrees are located in quadrant 2. So therefore, the coordinates of 120 degrees are negative 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. Problem number 2. Evaluate the cos of 30 degree. We will use a right triangle. This angle is our 30 degrees. Here is our 90 degrees. And this angle is 60 degrees. Let's say that the opposite side is 1. The adjacent is square root of 3. And the hypotenuse is 2. From this, we can easily find the cosine of 30 degrees. Remember the Sakatawa wherein the ka or cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So therefore, the cosine of 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. Problem number 3. Find the value of the sine and the cosine of the angle theta subtended by each arc length on the unit circle. Solve for tangent. We're going to find the value of the sine, cosine, and tangent theta of 3 pi over 2. So let's say this is our unit circle. This is 0. This point is pi over 2. Here is pi. And this point is 3 pi over 2. We will use a counterclockwise direction to locate the 3 pi over 2. We know that in quadrant 4, the coordinates are 0, -1. So, our x is 0, our y is equals to -1, and radius is equals to 1. From here, we can easily find the value of the cosine, sine, and tangent of 3 pi over 2. The sine of 3 pi over 2 is equals -1. The cosine of 3 pi over 2 is 0. And the tangent of 3 pi over 2 is undefined. It is undefined because the tangent 3 pi over 2 lies on the negative y-axis.